Shirt collar can be used to create a variety of different collar styles based on existing front and back pieces. After starting the macro, the neckline elements of the front and back need to be selected. Start in the front piece. If only a single element needs to be selected, click it with the left mouse button. For multiple elements, select them with the right mouse button in a clockwise order and click the last one with the left. Once the front neckline has been selected, move on to the back. This editor appears, allowing you to set the overlap width as well as the buttonhole length. Confirm your values with OK to move on to the next step. Different collar styles are displayed in the editor. Select the desired shape from the list in the top left corner of the window. Another editor appears, allowing you to customize the shape of the collar in greater detail. Check the picture below to see which measurements can be edited. Confirm your settings with OK. The collar pieces will be created automatically, including a mirror line, stripe line, and grading based on the selected neckline elements.